Your loved one is in a nursing home. You hear their moans and their groans, you see the grimacing on their face, and it's obvious to you that they're in pain. Now, what do you do? My name is Justin Varghese. I'm one of the nursing home abuse attorneys here at Parker Waichman, and I'd like to talk with you for a moment about some of the things that you can do when you see that your loved one in a nursing home is clearly in pain. The first thing you can do is keep your eyes open. A lot of times, nursing home residents aren't able to communicate very much about the pain that they're experiencing, so you need to be watching closely, watching their facial expressions, listening carefully to the sounds that they're making. Certainly any complaints that they're able to verbalize, you need to take very seriously. The best thing that you can do immediately is go and tell someone. I know the nurses may seem like they're busy, they're running around, but you need to be persistent. Stop them if you can. You can be courteous, of course, but you need to be persistent and make sure that your loved one gets the attention that they need for the pain that they're experiencing. So tell the highest ranking nurse that you can find on the unit about what your loved one is going through at that time. Another important thing to realize is this: far too often when there's a lot of pain that a nursing home resident is experiencing, they'll just end up getting pain medication. And if you notice that time and time again, when you visit your loved one, they're in pain and they're getting pain medication, and the pain medication is getting stronger and they're turning to narcotics, it's important to realize that pain management and pain medication is not the only answer. You need to actually explore what the source of the pain is. So if you notice that a nursing home is giving your loved one pain medication day after day, it's important to ask the nurses and especially the doctors, thank you for the pain medication, I'm glad it's helpful, but what is causing all of this pain? Let's get to the root of the problem. Very often that will help discover some things that may not have been so obvious about what's causing the pain that your loved one might be experiencing. These are just some important things that you can watch out for that will allow for your loved one to be more comfortable and more healthy during their time at a nursing home. I hope I've been able to answer some of your questions with regard to this, and I would love to answer any other questions that you might have. So I want you to pick up the phone and give me a call. You can dial 1-800-800-9797. And my name is Justin Varghese. I'm one of the attorneys here at Parker Waichman. I would love to answer your questions. Thank you for your time.